In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a WordPress page. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your WordPress website and heading to the area where you manage your content. If you want to protect a static page, go to Pages. If you're securing an article-style entry, go to Posts. Once you're there, find the specific page or post you want to protect, click its title, and then click Edit to open it in the editor. With the editor open, look to the right-hand side of the screen for the Settings sidebar. This is where WordPress keeps the publishing options for your content. In that panel, locate the section labeled Publish or Status and Visibility. Inside this section, you'll see a setting called Visibility. By default, WordPress sets visibility to public, which means anyone can view the content. Click the word Public to open the visibility options. From the choices that appear, select Password Protected. As soon as you choose that, a field will appear where you can enter the password you want to use. Type in a password that you'll share with the people who need access. Make it easy enough to communicate, but not so simple that anyone could guess it. Avoid using sensitive information or anything overly obvious. After you've entered the password, confirm your changes by clicking Publish if this page or post is new, or Update if it was already live. That's all you need to do. From now on, when someone visits that specific page or post, they'll see a password prompt. Only visitors who enter the exact password you set will be able to view the content behind it. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Remember the password you set and share it securely with your audience or team. If you ever want to change the password or remove protection, simply return to the same visibility setting in the editor and adjust it there. Also, keep in mind that this method applies to a single page or post at a time. It's great for quickly hiding a resource, event details, or a client page without needing a separate plugin or user accounts. That's it. Open the content, edit it, change visibility from public to password protected, enter your password, and publish or update. You now have a clean, built-in way to control access to a WordPress page or post, all from the editor sidebar.